Have you ever wondered what the most used part of your electronics is? Of course, it's the screen. As you touch, as you tap and swipe across it, it's the screen that is collecting dust, dirt and oils. But you have been cleaning your display all wrong. Hi, this is Rubina Mongia and I'm going to teach you how to safely keep your screen clean. But first, you will need some equipment. Get yourself a microfiber cloth. It can be any cloth. You don't have to buy the Apple one that sells for about 1900 rupees. Some warm water and an alcohol-free cleaning solution to minimize the risk of removing the oleophobic coating. Now take the microfiber cloth and lightly dampen it with some cleaning solution and warm water. Now gently rub the screen in circular motions. Make sure not to put too much pressure on the panel. If there's a particularly tough spot, rub it some more, but don't apply too much pressure as that can permanently damage the screen. And that's all it takes to keep your displays clean.